Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the...
What's up, guys, and welcome back to Organizing Spices. My name is Ashley for those of you who are new, and in today's video we are in a new location. We are at my sister slash best friend's house, and she was trying to find some organization solutions for her spices. So since I had already done mine, I thought, why the heck not? Let's do hers. She had some different concept ideas, and I was able to work with her and bring her vision to life. And in this video, this is what we're going to show you. So let's get into it. So I bring my personal handyman with me everywhere I go, aka my husband, and her spice cabinet required drilling and shelving, so he was able to drill into the current shelves that she had to add the new spice organization into her cabinetry.
Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh no.
Yes, it's so fun. Look at it. Y'all, look how cool.
Not to say that there's nobody here, I just don't know.
Y'all, I can't wait for these spices to go in here.
As you guys can tell, clearly she was super excited, which made me even more excited to hurry up and get this done. So now we're just putting back her regular items in her cabinets, and then we'll start putting in the spices.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals.
I'll have these glass spice jars listed down in the description box below if you are interested, and I'll also have the shelving that she used listed down there if you're also interested in those.
Searching after miracles, miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
So if you're finding value in this video, or you like what's going on in the video, or it's been helpful for you and giving you ideas and inspiration for your spice cabinet, I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up and probably comment down in the comment section below and tell me what parts of this video helped you out.
Making me wanna be something else that I'm used to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be. Not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my
So my friend isn't as anal as I am, so putting them in alphabetical order was not her priority. She wanted to put things that she used more often in the front so that it's easier to reach for. So we did everything according to her liking, and it turned out great.
like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do
Wow. And that's pretty much all the. And look, there's room behind it. So if I need to put the big stuff behind, I can, like on this shelf.
like I'm better off with you.
So that wraps up today's video. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like, comment down below, and consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.